Okay, part 3, I guess. No.
Obamacare is like it's like the savior for like people that don't have insurance or Medicare.
What the
If
fuck?
you have it, it's
Hey, shh. Copyrights. Copyrights. We don't want another black man channel taken down.
Yeah, everybody. Because they're so good.
Speaking of pain,
Killed my entire garden.
What do you like? 4,000. You went first and filming all your stuff.
Activate Here's my 12 bit. 3 nights. I'm gonna run this against you, Mike, and kill you. 3 raffles.
damn the answers.
Then you're like, fuck out of here.
Go ahead.
shut your mouth. I'm trying to cheat.
And I had missing.
What?
I don't advance it, and it's kind of on my guys. Yeah, but I couldn't hit it. That was the thing. It's like, better strike that, blow that up, bank that, blow that up.
Hell yeah, kidnap that fool.
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean. I tried to.
Go ahead and activate
They're so good though. It comes up, it ignores their feels of pain.
See the guy, his bill, he had little Ford, he had no bill. He went to one of them
Stop pushing, I'm recording. Why are you over here? You're a bad recorder. Oh, look, more black people. Yes. Yes. Got the Harlem Globetrotters up in this motherfucker.
Do you have any evil
Everyone's negating everyone.
What did you, I wanted the,
That's why I was like, well, this one, that's why I'm taking the defense line. He's got Skyfire.
Nasty motherfucker.
And he gets that 2+.
Fuck you.
bodily function. Oh wait, no wait, it said dome stuff. Can't you believe that, dude?
No.
Like, a gay guy. You know how Christians don't believe in gay marriage?
Yes. Top deck, what the fuck?
An idiot gay couple went to a Christian church and asked if they could get married there. And the church politely said, no, that's okay. We can't do that because my faith does not allow that. The gay couple took the church to court and won.
What?
Yeah, okay.
They're unstoppable.
But if the gay couple were Christian to begin with, no?
What would be the point of they're denying their own religion.
Denying their civil rights. You can't be a Christian and gay.
Damn, Dark Mirror Force? Fuck? Like, what the fuck?
You probably have.
Oh, regular Mirror Force. Like, what?
They should have said Christians.
Wow, that's a wrong.
I know, they messed up with a couple things in the book. Well, I mean, everything else is there. They took away the
It's a little far for you.
These are all going to go on. You can only take that.
That's Dragon? Lesser Dragon? Lesser Dragon.
Oh, bottom.
They negate that. I get up to Reno, and they say they get up to Reno. I didn't see this You ready? What am I? I'll beat your whole thing. Your whole money output It's garbage. If I can beat your deck with a lesser known underrated card deck. What's Spellbook gonna do? What's Spellbook gonna do when I beat you?
Say that again? What'd you say?
Turn 1, I attack him 3 times with 3 big ass monsters, and he goes Spellbook of Fate.